Hello YouTube, it's me again. What do I got for today? I got a little thing on the baggie here. I don't know if you've been watching my channel, but if you watch my channel, I've been trying to make a handle for the Vise. Didn't forget about it. It's still on the agenda. This time I bought the proper size, what do you call it? Ratchet. I'm going to make one like this, and I'm going to make one that's like, I'm going to mill one out, and I'm going to make one this is pressed in there. And I got a Craftsman 16mm and a Craftsman 16mm long reachy one. So if I did this correctly, and I'm not going to show you, but I'll go over here and ta-da! Yep, it fits. And so anyway, I figured out that 16mm fits. So that's on the agenda. My last piece of thing I tried to make would look like this. Let me get there. This is my last debauchery. I could try to, I don't know, maybe use this one as a whatever, but I don't know. I could try to use this, but I'm not really interested. Hold on, I'm getting interrupted by a text. Hold on. Anyway, back what I was saying, I'm gonna, what do you call it? Take a bar similar to this length. I'm going to first put the holes in it, get them all straight, and put the handle, and then I'll form it out after, because there's no reason, maybe there is a reason to form it out first, but for me, I'm going to do the holes first because it's the hardest. I can make this all fancy, and if I screw up the middle, what the hell's the point, right? All that work for nothing. So that's on the agenda this week. It was minus 29 here with the wind chill factor, and it is probably still minus 18 in here. And it's minus 2 outside, so either I open up all the doors and cool it off and warm it up or whatever. But anyway, that's for another day. So stay tuned. I have still got some more short videos for you. Am I going to make any more long form videos? I don't know, maybe. Anyway, stay tuned, stay alive, and thanks for subscribing. Like, subscribe.